The present instruments and equipment for energy is old systems. They consume a lot of energy.
In the framework of the wider Global Gateway Initiative, the European Union is, in this case, contributing to a project here in East Jerusalem, together with France and with the Qatar Foundation, by 1 million of a contribution to the St. Joseph Hospital, and helping the hospital to increase the measures for more energy efficiency of its buildings.
By implementing the new measures, we are sure that we will cut the cost by 30%. The climate affects the health industry very much. With the measures we're taking and buying and purchasing new cooling instruments and heating instruments in winter, that will make the patients in a better environment.
AFD, the Agence Française de Développement, is contributing to the financing of the Saint-Joseph Hospital project for its modernization and expansion for an amount of 12 million euros. And this project is part of the French commitment to support the health system in Palestine. And through this project, we will help to provide more health services to the Palestinian population.
But it's also a win because it falls into the wider scope and objective of the European Union, which is to green economy wherever we can across the world, as we do at home, but also to go for more energy efficiency whenever we can.